People will not pay a premium for a product, but they will pay a premium for a service, right? This is the story of the retail apocalypse. Why did Montgomery Ward's and why is Sears and JCPenney and Payless Shoes, why are they going out of business? Because the Amazon shopping experience eliminates major portions of friction. And the product is a commodity. It's the service experience that I want, right? There's a lesson in that for advisors across America, that you need to get good, not just at building asset allocations and picking funds. You need to be good at architecting service experiences. So what is your service experience? Does it look like the doctor's office in 1978 when I was a kid? And you go in, show up on time for your appointment, wait an hour for the nurse to call you back. Hopefully the doctor sees you within an hour and a half. And then they give you what you get and you go to the pharmacist. No questions. They're the smart one, right? No, people will not tolerate that. It used to be the case that advisors didn't like doctors, lawyers, and engineers as clients. Why? Because they used the validator shopping model. They already knew the answer. They just needed to double check it with an advisor. Well, guess what? In the information age, everybody's a validator. Everybody acts like a doctor, a lawyer, and an engineer. And this is a former software engineer speaking right now. Everybody in this generation has WebMD up when they go to the pharmacist, but they also have Morningstar.com up when they're talking to an advisor. They're also going to Personal Capital and they're double checking, why didn't you use a Vanguard ETF? Why aren't you using ETFs at all, right? Wealthfront, Betterment, Morningstar, they have equipped and informed and empowered a generation of investors. And so you have to know that. You can't play keep away with knowledge. It's impossible anymore, okay? Asymmetry is not value. I know something you don't know, or I have access to something you don't have access to. The clients can go to E-Trade, Scottrade, TD Ameritrade, Schwab, and they can get access to almost everything you have access to, right? And so the value is in the service. What sort of service are you trying to architect? Service experience are you trying to architect? So in that light, you need to be really careful about how you scale that service experience. And there is no way to scale efficiently, repeatably, sustainably a service experience without technology. Technology like InvestorCOM's Reg BI tool actually kills two birds. Number one, it makes the discovery and documentation scalable, repeatable, and efficient. But you know what else it does? It keeps the cuffs off your hand, so to speak. It scales your service experience while you are also remaining compliant with your broker-dealer, your RIA, CCO, and with the regulators. And I will tell you, after sitting through dozens of exams over my career, when you can show someone that you're using an industry standard tool, best practices coming from industry standard product masters, you can watch the regulators start checking the boxes on their sheet. Right. Because they know that what you're delivering is consistently high quality to every client that walks in the front door.